Okay, we're done haircut now. What can you say, Tyler?
What do you say?
You look nice?
Uh-huh.
Do you like my haircut?
Uh-huh.
Let me see, let me see. Let me see. Upawon na nato tay, lain man kay tan-awon tay, napahak naman. Lalain kay tay, ato na lai padaganan atong kuantay itong zup-zup ba. Kay, napahak diri tay. Hala tay, luuyay kay tay. Tay, luoy kay katanahon, ato na lang ni upawon tanan. Gamitan na to atong kuan, atong zip-zip. Tara. Uy, don't play that. Let's go shower now.
No, not a sound.
Do you like it?
I like the bottom, mommy. He's over there, mommy.
You like the bottom, that one?
The one more. I need to go get it, mommy. I got the big one.
Now what you gonna do with your hair?
I have. Mommy, you cut it.
Yeah, I cut it. Do you like my haircut?
You like my haircut? Hooray! Great job, mommy.
Oh, great job!
Cutting the hair.
I did good job in cutting that one.
I'm cutting all the thing, mommy.
Oh,
Nice cutting.
nice cutting. Oh, thank you.
I'm cutting the hair, mommy.
Let me see. How nice is it? Wow, very nice. Sus, naunsa naman ni patay.
Hooray!
Very nice ni. Be, naunsa. Ay, naunsa naman ni tay, naunsa naman ni. Very nice now. Look at the back. Let me see. Oh my goodness, not very nice. Sa na lang niro, napahak man ri ah. Uy, upawon na lang ni, hadlok man ko sa man ni man. Ato na lang ni padaganan ag kuan, katong grum ba? Para mahurot na ni. Kailain kayo luwi kita na no? Pahak. Na mo na, great job. Uy! Hala, patay ka. Ito kasabuan taro tay. Agi, tawag. Ato, buto dati ka. Ato na, kakasaban ako ron.